Hey guys, today we're going to run on how to send video as a document in WhatsApp. And first of all, we are going to launch our WhatsApp application. We're going to choose a chart. Let's say it's a chart with this person. Going to tap on this icon, going to tap on the document. From there, I'm going to either choose to browse my documents or to choose from gallery. So first, I'm going to choose browse documents. And from there, I can, let's say, decide I wanted to send this person, let's say, this video. And once I decide to tap on OK, it will be sent as a document. I can even decide to choose this type of an option, which is choose from gallery. And let's say I decided to send here, maybe this, you can see, we have been able to send this person a video as a document. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.